to delete Google search history in phone. Now that's I am going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right now. The very first thing you have to do is click on the top right corner like this in your profile picture, and then click on the bottom in the bottom menu like this option search history, and then this this page will appear, and then you have to, and then you can delete literally like this. You can delete a single post by clicking on this cut button, and then you can see it is deleted. And then you can also, and if you want to delete the whole day search, then you can click on this, and you can see the search I have done on the whole day, it is deleted. And that's basically it, and how to delete Google search in phone. I hope this quick video helped you, so please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also comment if it worked. Have a good day.